Classification of insect. Order Proturans. Proturan is a small order of tiny, wingless, and primitive hexapod, often referred to as coneheads, due to the distinctive shape of their head. These tiny creatures are part of class Entognatha, which they share with Diplura and Columbola. They are generally soil-dwelling and lack eyes and antennae. Key features: size: tiny, usually less than 2 mm in length. Eyes and antennae: both are absent. Instead of antennae, they have four-legged or modified to severe sensory function. Mouth parts: enclosed within the head. Entognathos. Body segment: have 12 abdominal segments, the first three of which can bear small style. Habitat: found in soil, leaf litter, moss, and decaying food. They contribute to decomposition process and nutrient cycling. Reproduction: they exhibit amentabolosis development, meaning they do not undergo metamorphosis. Order Columbola. Columbola, commonly known as springtails, are small wingless hexapod that belong to the class Entognatha. They are named for their ability to jump using a specialized structure called the furcula, located on their abdomen. Characters of Columbola. Size: typically 1 to 3 mm in length, though some species can be slightly larger. Body shape varies from elongated and cylindrical to compact and globular. Eyes simple or absent, depending on the species. Antennae present segmented and used for sensing their environment. Furcula, a forked tail-like structure folded under the abdomen, which allows them to jump when threatened. Diet: feed on decaying organic matter, fungi, algae, and microorganisms, contributing to nutrient cycling and soil health. Habitat: found in most environments such as soil, leaf litter, under bark, or near water bodies. Reproduction: typically reproduce sexually, with some species capable of parthenogenesis, asexual reproduction. Order Diplura. Diplura is an order of small wingless hexapod in the class Entognatha, closely related to Protura and Columbola. The name Diplura means two tails, referring to the two cerci at the end of their abdomen. Key characters: size small, usually 2 to 5 mm in length, though some species can grow up to 50 mm. Body elongated, soft, and lacking pigmentation, making them appear pale or translucent. Eyes absent. They rely on their antennae for sensory input. Antennae long, segmented, and highly sensitive. Cerci, two appendages at the near of the abdomen, which may be pincer-like, forceps shape, or filamentous depending on the species. Diet: most of the Deuterivorous feeding on decay organic matter, but some are predators of small soil organisms. Habitat: found in moist soil, leaf litters, under stones, or decaying wood, where they help decompose organic material. Reproduction: fertilization in direct male deposit spermatophores that females pick up. Order Thysanura. The order Thysanura, commonly known as Bristoliatis, a silverfish, refers to primitive wingless insect. The name Thysanura is derived from Greek meaning tassel tail, which describes the three long tail-like appendage at the end of their abdomen. Key characters: size small, typically 7 to 15 mm in length. Body shape flattened and elongated with a silvery or grayish appearance due to tiny shining scale on their body. Eyes small or absent. Compound eyes or sometimes reduced. Antennae long and flexible, used for sensory purpose. Tail appendages: three long structures at the end of the abdomen, including a pair of lateral cerci on the central caudal filament. Diet: feed on starchy substance like paper, glue, textiles, or food debris, making them common household pests. Habitat: prefer dark, moist environments such as basement, bathrooms, or Soil litters. Reproduction. Use indirect fertilization with males depositing spermatophores for female to collect. Order Epimeroptera. The order Epimeroptera, commonly known as mayflies, is an ancient group of insects recognized for their delicate wings and aquatic larval stage. The name Epimeroptera means short-lived wing, referring to their brief adult lifespan. Key characters. Size varies usually between 3 to 30 mm. Wings. Two pair of membranous wings with the forewing being larger. In some species, the hindwings are reduced or absent. Mouth parts. Not functional in adults as they do not feed. Body. Slender with three long thread-like tails at the end of the abdomen. Life cycle. Aquatic nymphs, naiads, these are herbivorous or detrivorous and lives in freshwater. They cannot move up to 5 times before becoming adult. Live for only a few hours or days, primarily to reproduce. Reproduction. Mating swarms are common and females lay eggs directly in water. Habitat. Nymphs are found in clean freshwater environment, making them indicators of good water quality. Order Plecoptera. Plecoptera, commonly called as stoneflies, in order of aquatic insects closely associated with clean, well-oxygenated freshwater habitat. The name Plecoptera is derived from Greek meaning braided wings, which refers to the network of veins on their wings. Key characters. Size. Small to medium size, typically 5 to 50 mm in length. Wings. Two pair of membranous wings with the hind wings broader and capable of folding under the forewings. Some species are wingless. Body. Slender with two long cerci at the tip of the abdomen. Mouth parts. Chewing mouth parts, nymphs are herbivorous, detrivorous, or predatory, while adults may feed on algae or may feed at all. Life cycle. Aquatic nymphs, naiads, these are aquatic living under rock or debris in streams and rivers and are excellent indicators of clean water. Adult. Terrestrial, often found near water, they have limited flight ability. Reproduction. Females lay eggs in water and the nymphs undergo complete metamorphosis. Habitat. Prefer cold, fast flowing and oxygen rich stream or rivers. Thank you.